Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastasia. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok and Instagram if you haven't done so as well. For today's video, I am super excited because we are actually partnering up with Lowe. So a huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. It is officially almost fall season and they have a bunch of fall savings that you guys do not want to miss. I know we talk a lot about like home decor and furniture on this channel. However, Lowe's is like my go-to for things that we actually need for the home. These are must-haves that if you don't have around your home, I would highly recommend picking them up. Also a really great time to snag some of these things because they're on sale. As always, everything that I talk about in today's video will be linked in the description box down below for you guys to check out. And without further ado, we can just jump right into it. All right, one of the things that I wanted to snag for myself that I think is just a must-have in general. So I always had like a really good step stool, but I've noticed that there's been a few things that I need to like fix or hang up around my space, and I do have higher ceilings, so I definitely needed some sort of ladder, but I didn't want like a massive ladder because, to be honest, I don't have anywhere to put it. So I ended up opting for this one. I definitely went into the store to check it out, but once I found out it was going to be on sale, I went ahead and snagged it online because there were so many of these things that I wanted to pick up. But I would definitely recommend checking this one out. It's such a great option, and again, it's like a little bit more on the compact side, but will still get the job done for those like tasks that you need to be a little bit taller for. Next up, I wanted to snag this Craftsman power tool combo kit simply because I have a like drill currently, and to be honest, when I purchased it, like I didn't know what I was doing in like home decor sense, and it just wasn't really a great quality. I didn't know much about power tools, so I definitely wanted something nicer and like newer, and definitely that had a little bit more power than what I currently had. So I opted for this. Again, wanted to snag it because it was on sale. Such a great option. Again, another tip, you can always go into the store and kind of like check it out just to compare to the other ones. That's what I did, but I did end up, like I said, going home and just buying everything online because there were so many great deals. I wanted to kind of do like a bundle package, but this is just a really great option as well. Something else that is a really great deal right now that I personally have in my home, and I use these all the time. These are so great for storage. That's just these storage tubs. Now they have two different options. I personally prefer the black and yellow ones just because they're a little bit more heavy duty in my opinion. You can put heavier stuff in them, you can stack them. I use these all the time when it comes to like moving. I'll end up like putting all my stuff in there and then it's just like ready to go, super easy, and it kind of keeps everything safe while you're moving. Or if you have things that you want to store, this is a great way to store stuff in like your storage closet or your garage. Just keeps things a lot safer, and then again, the top is like waterproof, so if something spills on like the top, it's not gonna like mess up all your stuff. So I usually opt for these. Now they do have another option on sale that obviously these look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. However, they're just kind of like different. The last ones are a little bit more heavy duty. These are still great for storage, but I might use these for storage inside my home. Maybe not a like amazing option for a garage, but I like the fact that these are clear and then you can like see what's in them. So if you don't own a bunch of these, you need to now. They're great also for storing holiday decor. So I know you guys have all of your fall decor out probably this season, and if you wanted a great place to store it, I always use these tubs. So highly would recommend those, and they are great because they are on sale. All right, I definitely also wanted to mention this Hisense refrigerator because if you're in the market for a new refrigerator, this is almost like 50% off right now. And I'm personally a huge fan of Hisense. I love their TVs. Great affordable options for TVs, and there's such good pictures on them. So you're essentially getting something seriously so high quality, but it's just a little bit lower on the price range, which is always great. I feel like the same is for this refrigerator. I think it's super cool, and I would highly recommend checking it out because it's a great deal. So if you were in the market for a new fridge, but you don't want to break the bank, this would definitely be a really great option to check out. All right, these Blink Mini 2 cameras are my absolute favorite. So if you don't own a bunch of these, I don't know what you're doing. So for me in particular, I love to have like these interior cameras for if you're getting work done on your home or if you're going out of town. These are really great to have. Some sort of camera inside the home, especially if you're like not going to be home. These are great. Highly would recommend it. These are on sale. They're super affordable, so this is a good time to snag one for every room. Could not recommend cameras enough. Another favorite from Craftsman is just this pressure washer. Another must-have. If you don't own a pressure washer, I would highly recommend one. Even if you're in like an apartment, these still come in handy. If you have some sort of outdoor space and you want to clean it quite quickly, these are great. This one in particular I love because it has a space for soap. So you can put some sort of like cleaning agent with the water, hose your thing down with a pressure wash, and let me just tell you, it makes such a huge difference when you are cleaning. If you want to just like clean out your garage quickly, clean off a balcony, this ends up being really great and super useful. So it's definitely something really great to snag while it's on sale. Another thing that I think is a really great home upgrade, not super expensive, doesn't really break the bank too much, and it is on sale, is just one of these Genie openers for your garage. A smart opener, again, I think these are great to have because you never know when you might accidentally leave your garage open, you're rushing. You can also open your garage when you're not home. Sometimes I'll have to go to my brother's house and he can literally just like open the garage for me to like go in and like get something that I need and then close it back. Super easy. I think that these are really great to have, and again, super great that they are on sale. And then another Craftsman favorite, I just personally love Craftsman as a brand. I think they're really great, but these like little storage shelves for your garage, these are great. Put these in your garage, pair it with the tubs that I was talking about earlier, and you are now the most organized person in the world with literally zero to no effort. I think that these are great. So if you want to make everything look really nice and organized in your garage, I would highly recommend getting a shelving like this. It makes such a huge difference. All right, and then Allen and Roth is also doing some really great sales. I love this faucet just because I feel like it's so expensive to redo an entire kitchen right now, but you can really upgrade your space just by switching out something like the faucet. I personally would opt for something like this matte black. If you just have like an older dingy faucet, you can change this super cheap. I believe these are on sale for under $100, so I would definitely recommend snagging them. Just a really nice simple upgrade you can do to really change the whole look of your kitchen. All right guys, that is everything that I wanted to talk to you about in today's video. Again, a huge thank you to Lowe's for sponsoring today's video. As always, the links to everything will be in the description box down below for you to check out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!